4 ways to make the law of attraction work in your career. One of the top reasons why people turn to the law of attraction is so that they can improve their career standing. Whether they're looking for a job opportunity, a promotion, or just looking to improve their situation with colleagues or their boss, the law of attraction can work wonders. Here are a few things you can practice to make it work for you. Number 1. Recite affirmations. Words have a certain power over people. Certain words can serve as triggers for a happy day while some can be debilitating. It's important that you find out which words work positivity in your life. These are your affirmations. They can be anything from physical reassurances such as "I am beautiful" to more soulful affirmations, "I am worthy, I deserve the best, I am enough." While these may seem like a silly thing to do, don't underestimate the influence words have on you. They have the power to uplift you or to bring you down. Number 2. Visualize. One of the key ingredients in making the law of attraction work for you is being able to clearly visualize your goals, either short-term or long-term. For the purposes of work performance, it's good to have a firm grasp of what you expect to accomplish on a daily basis so that you don't feel overwhelmed and panicky. Try to get up earlier than you have to every morning and reserve a few minutes to zen out. Waking up in a calm state, not in a rush to get the day started, will contribute greatly to how you will handle your day. Take 10 minutes to just meditate and visualize the goals you have for the day, the tasks you need to get done, and the manner by which you want to do them. When you can see yourself accomplishing these goals, it will be easier for you to actually do them with confidence. Number 3. Avoid negativity. The fastest way to get you in a huff is to associate with negative vibes, in your head, in other people, and in situations. You know that office mate of yours that always annoys you? If you don't have to deal with him directly, don't. That rude barista where you get your coffee? If he's on duty, go to a different coffee shop. There are a number of ways you can rid yourself of negativity, and if you can't remove the people per se, then remove yourself from the situation. Although you sometimes can't avoid running into mishaps, what you can do is to fight it with a positive attitude. That's why it's important that you're able to tap into an inner well of peace so that when uncontrollable scenarios pop up, you're able to handle it well. Learn to tune out the voices in your head that only make you doubt yourself. It will serve no greater purpose for you to listen to them. Number 4. Chronicle your day. Think of this exercise as a compilation of all of the things above. Here, write your goals, your dreams, what you want in life. If you can, sketch out your visualizations, create a vision board of sorts, map out your plan. Write words of affirmation, write down anything that you've heard or seen that struck something in you in a positive way, be it quotes, lyrics to a song, or a funny pun. If it makes you feel good, write it down. It would also be good for you to write down your experiences for the day. Your writing doesn't have to be eloquent or witty. Remember, this is for you, not for others to read. Describe your day, what you felt, write down situations that made you happy or sad. This is a good way to process your feelings and to identify solutions for problems or problem areas. Keep in mind that this journal is to bring out the best in you and to remind you that you can do it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.